Okay, I'm gonna head over here to T3, which is this red guy. This has been here quite a while. I've ridden this before. I rode this in middle school, so that's been mid-90s. It's been here for quite a long time. Used to be a giant roller coaster over here called Chang, which is gone now. And if I'm not mistaken, that's up in, I know it's in New Jersey. I know it's a Green Lantern ride now, and I think it's at Great America. I could be wrong. I'm not running a train right now, so I'm gonna keep walking over here to T3. And more water park stuff. Looks fun, but I'm not here to water park today. There goes the T3. This ride being a lot of fun. There's like 6 inversions. And it's gone. If I fit, I'm about to walk right on this thing. There are no lines anywhere in the park, so I'm about to walk on a ride that used to take like an hour and a half to wait for last time I was here. Yay, maybe I'll ride it more than once if I fit. I might try for front seat.
You can do that now.
Saved your leg just now.
What's that?
Saved your leg.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Saved my life. Well, I am in here, testing the ride capacity. So again, seat itself, the bucket part, actually very comfortable. Overhead restraint's not an issue. This lap bar thingy that's attached to the overhead coming down to my gut is, and then far enough to get the seat belt is the biggest issue. And I think up to 350, you're probably going to be okay. Yep. Here we go. Whee! Yay! Oh, there's the view of Kentucky Flyer. And it's running. You want to go to view of Kentucky Flyer, get on T3. And it looks fun, but there's not much to it. All right, let's focus on this ride. Here we go. That's a ride there. Oh, it racked me a little. Ouch. That's a little, oh, look, it's holding tight, I guess. It's a little rougher than I remember, but still fun. Oh, my overhead tightened up on me. Oh man. Look, beat red. That was fun. So I just got off T3, and it's as fun as I remember. It's gotten a little rough with its old age, but it's a lot of fun. Their seats are actually quite comfortable on it, and the overhead restraint came down just fine. I didn't feel tight there. The only issue was getting it down just far enough to get the buckle in place, which I was able to do. but I was testing the ride capacity, I believe. So I think a little bit bigger you might not be able to fit. Again, 6 inversions, so flips you and flops you around, shakes you quite a bit, and hurts a little, but it's a good kind of hurt. So, all right, I'm off to the next ride. It's a hot day outside, so I think I'm gonna go on the Raging Rapids ride. I can't say, it's a tongue twister. Raging Rapids River Ride. Okay. And we'll see if big people can ride this too. I'm sure they can. It's not usually an issue for these kind of rides, but we will see. Now, this ride used to be themed to the Penguin from Batman, back when Paramount owned it. Oh, look, we can still see over there in the distance off the waterfall and the sewer. There's a penguin head. So they've kept some of the theming, it looks like, and just changed the name for copyright purposes, I guess. Okay, is this the old entrance to Gotham? I don't know. This could be Gotham, some part of Gotham. A clock tower, random clock tower. I don't think the time's right though. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I just got off the Raging River Rapids tongue twister ride. That didn't get you super wet, but it does get you wet. It's a nice cool off on a hot day, which it is today, even though it's cloudy now, but it's still humid. It's hot. It feels like it's in the 90s. The restraints, I just got the buckled. I had a little bit of maybe an inch to spare, so again, $350, probably going to be your cutoff on this. Again, that seems to be kind of a theme we got going on here, and again, it's a good way to cool off on a hot day. If you can hear me, next ride I'm going to try over here is Eye of the Storm. It is this just a circular, it's like a carnival ride kind of thing. Overhead restraints, I'm not sure if I'm going to fit. Doesn't show any weight restrictions, but we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. Oh, that looks awful. I'm gonna do it for you. I fully expect to pass out on this.
How was that ride? We strongly advise you to secure your items in a locker or leave them with a non-rider. You may choose to use beds provided in the loading area.
Well, first time today, I'm doing the walk of shame after trying to get on a ride and not fitting. Apparently I can't go through the Eye of the Storm. Overhead restraint with a buckle that goes to the overhead. And I was like 2 inches too short. Sorry guys. About to try the Storm Chaser here. It's a new ride. It's the last time I was here. Never been on it before. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can handle this one. You're okay. Alright, they actually have a test seat up front of this one, so I'm going to try that before I wait in line and then not fit, so here we go. It's a little tight fit getting over the edge of this lip here. Oh, seat is tight. It's pushing all my bulk forward. And you can see the light, I'm not quite getting it. I think I'm close, but nope. There's somebody to slam me in, maybe, but I do not. Let's see how far it takes to get it in there. Right there. Here's where it is. That's quite a bit in there. Yeah. I don't think I'm anywhere close to that. Oh, as you can see, I could not get the restraint to come down far enough on the Storm Chaser, which I'm kind of sad about because it looks like it's a whole lot of fun. I pushed it in, and it looks like it has to go in actually quite far to be able to ride. So I'm really not sure what the limit's going to be on this. I think 300 might be pushing it. You might have to go less than 275 or so because it looks like it's a long way in to be able to get that lat bar to turn the green light on. So I don't know, chopped it up for a loss, and I'll give it a try next year.